Hello everyone and welcome to our course. This course is designed based on the Transferable Academic Skill Kit task, which is a flexible learning resource that has been carefully designed to develop the key transferable skill that promote student success in university and college study. Whether you are a student or an instructor, task provide a try and tested teaching and learning tool suitable for a broad range of academic discipline. The modules are organized as follows. Module 1, Key Foundation Skill. Module 2, Academic Culture. Module 3, Participating in Seminars. Module 4, Team Working. Module 5, Problem Solving. Module 6, Critical Thinking. Module 7, Introduction to IT Skill. Module 8, Essay Writing. Module 9, Scientific Writing. Module 10, Research and Referencing. Module 11, Presentations. And Module 12, Exam Technique. So in this course, I am going to create a series of video lessons which focus on each unit within the module from module 1 to module 5. So in the next video, we're gonna start unit 1, module 1. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.